everybody, I'm Susan from Srstyle. Hope everybody's having a great day. It's pretty sunny here in BC, so hope everybody's staying safe and enjoying the day if it's nice weather. So when it's nice weather in BC, you have to take advantage of it because it could just start raining at any moment or hailing or who knows what. Alright, so I have a small unboxing today from Pandora. Pandora is a little bit different than the old days. They don't give you any packaging anymore. You have to pay for it. So you just basically get a box. And you don't even get like those little pouches you used to get. You don't get anything like that. So they've really cut back on the packaging, but they haven't cut back on the price. So there you go. All right. So I'm still rocking my 10th anniversary Dooney sketch bag with the green leather trim. So I'm going to be swapping out of this one fairly soon. This is a good size. The only disadvantage to this bag is the strap isn't very long. I wish that it was a little bit longer, and the strap that I have doesn't fit on the little things here. So I'm thinking about maybe getting, maybe going to like like Hobby Lobby or any of those kind of stores and maybe getting a clip and then maybe converting it so I can use my other strap that I got from All About Straps, and she custom makes straps for you. So I'll leave her information below, and if you mention Srstyle, you get 10% off. So that's pretty cool. And those straps last. I still have mine, and I think I bought it like 2 or 3 years ago, and it's still like perfect. So I definitely recommend her. I'm not sponsored in any way. I bought my own strap, so there you go. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this Pandora. Alright, don't even need my blade. Alright, Pandora. And this is basically all you get. So it's pretty crazy. I did get a box, a little box, very little. Alright, they do give you the return label and your invoice, but that's all you get. This is it. You don't get a pouch, you don't get anything like that. So, alright, so that's it for Pandora. For the packaging, here's the little box that comes with it. Oh, you still do get that, the ribbon where you can put your charm in, so you still get that. I do like the boulder print, it's pretty nice. And let's take a look here. And you do still get the, you know, the plastic, but you don't get the Pandora pouch, those white pouches. Because I used to use those for like when we would go somewhere and put my jewelry in. They work out really good for that, and they also work out really good for makeup. You can put a few things in there. Loose change. Alright, so you do get some tissue paper, but this is the tissue paper you get. Okay? Used to get a whole thing of tissue paper. This is what you get. So it's a little bit crazy, and this is the clip that I could not get at the store. So I had to order it online. So hopefully you can see it. Yeah, it's hard. Okay, let me see if I can put it through the ribbon. No. Yeah, let me see if I can. Let's see if I can do it this way. You can kind of tell. But it's just basically rose gold, and then it's a clip to match my other clip that I bought, and it has clear crystals. And it has the crystals on both sides, basically. Let's see if I can. And I'll leave pictures on Instagram too at susansrstyle. I post pictures like every day, so definitely follow me there. Definitely subscribe to my channel, because you'll need to do that in order to be enrolled in my 500 subscriber giveaway. Very easy. Like, subscribe, share, comment, ring the bell. All that fun stuff. Yeah, so basically it's just a clip that you put on your, to hold your other pieces in. And yeah, it's really pretty actually. It's simple, but it's nice looking. Kind of get the idea. All right, so that is my clip. I think I have one more coming that I couldn't get at the store, because sometimes it's not worth getting it online, because I can get the same thing at the store, but the one in Abbotsford is the closest Pandora store to me. And they don't always have like what you're looking for, unfortunately. So you have to get it online, but then some things are like back ordered online. They sell out very fast. So it's just kind of a hit and miss type of deal. And then I use my birthday code for 15% off. So that helps a little bit. It helps with the tax, basically, but... And when you go to the store, you can't, I guess because they're franchised, you can't use your discount code. So it makes it, you know, kind of hard, but it's not really that much difference. So if they have it at the store, you're better off just to get it at the store, and then you know you're gonna get it. Because when you order online, sometimes you think you're gonna get it, and then you get the email saying, sorry, back ordered, you know, so. So if you guys have ever had any experience with Pandora, let me know, because I'm sure I'm not the only one that's had issues with Pandora. Because Pandora has really changed a lot. I mean, just look at the packaging. That's pretty drastic, I think. There's no tissue paper. I mean, one sheet, and it's not even very big. No pouches. No, you know, like those cardboard bags. And sometimes when you order 2 things, you only get this one little box. So before, you would get 2 boxes, tissue paper, pouch, you know, so on and so forth. And when I went in to get my bracelet, they weren't even going to give me a bracelet box. And I said, you know, come on now. I can't get a bracelet box. I'm spending over $200 on a bracelet, and I can't even get a bracelet box. Come on, guys. So anyway, she goes, okay, well, that makes sense. Yeah. So that is my Pandora unboxing for today. I hope everybody's doing great. Until next time, thanks for watching. Susan from Srstyle with the senior point of view. Have a great day, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye now.